Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Harmony, and in today's tutorial I'm going to walk you through how to install popsql on your Windows PC step by step. So popsql is a powerful modern SQL editor that's super beginner friendly and perfect for writing, organizing and sharing queries. And if you're a Mac user, I've got you covered too. I made a separate tutorial just for Mac users. I will leave the link in the video description below. So before we jump right in, please take a second to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Helps boost the algorithm and supports me to keep making more useful tutorials like this one. Alright, let's get started. Open your browser and visit this URL. I'm going to be dropping this link in the video description. Now scroll down and select download button for the Windows version. Now let's give this a few seconds to download. After popsql has been downloaded on your Windows PC, open the download folder and double-click it to install. So this is going to bring up the installation wizard. So all you need to do is to select the prompt and get it installed on your Windows PC. Alright, so popsql is going to prompt you to log in because you need an account to use popsql. So first step is to click sign in. So I'm going to sign in with my email and password. So this is going to take you back to the browser to sign in. Alright, so it's going to take you back to the popsql desktop application. Now that we have popsql installed on our PC, we have to connect it to our database. So click your account at the bottom left corner on the screen. Now this is going to give you multiple options. Click connections. On the connections page, you're going to have the option to add a new connection. You can also manage all your connections from the screen. So I'm going to add a new connection and select my DBMS, which is Mysql. Now this is where you get to input the host name. If you want to connect popsql to a database that is running locally on your system, you have to use this host name 127.0.01. This is the IP name for the host name or the host name IP address. There, this is the database. I'm going to use the database that is already on my computer. I have this database created on my MySQL. So I'm going to use this one right here. Now I created a video on how to install MySQL on Windows. You can check it out. I'm also going to drop a link to the video in the video description. So scroll down here and toggle on this option. So this is because we are connecting to MySQL that is running locally on our Windows PC. So then before you connect, you have to test this connection to ensure that it's working. So when you click test, you should see an option that says looks good. This shows you that popsql is successfully connected to your local database and you can start running queries. So let's open this and see what we have. So I'm going to close this dialog box right here. Now click new to start querying the database you have. So I'm going to write my first query. Let's run this and see. So here is a list of all my customers and their addresses. Okay, and in the next video I'm going to show you people how to create a new database and also run queries on it. So thanks for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.